Hello guys, thank you. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today as your host, Davido. My learners, my former learners, they were calling me as the Chichi. That's to me, David. So we are going to look at the question from from paper 2 GCE. This is paper 2 GCE 2023, question 3b, and it has to do with probability. So I'll read through the questions as we work out the question together. A girl has 7 green apples and 6 red apples in a bag. She picks one apple at random from the bag and eats it. She picks another apple and eats it. Draw a tree diagram to illustrate all the possible outcomes. What is the probability that the first apple eaten was green? So when you look at this question, you're going to realize that for them to say that this girl ate an apple, it means that they are saying that this girl was picking the apples without replacement. So many of you have gone through the questions which have to do with probability. You are going to remember that most of the questions are asked that this person picks this ball without replacement. Because obviously someone cannot eat a ball, but an apple can be eaten. So once someone eats an apple, it cannot be recreated again because it would have been eaten. So now, the question is, we draw a tree diagram to illustrate all the possible outcomes. So we have got a green apple and a red apple. Now, in this bag contains 7 green apples, 7 green and 6 red apples. So now we have to find the total. So 7 plus 6, that will give us 13. So for green here, it means that it is the probability of us getting a green apple is 7 out of 13. What does this imply? A green apple has got 7 chances of being picked out of the total number of apples which are contained in this particular bag. And then now we go to red apples. Again, the red apples have got 6 chances of being picked out of the 13 apples in total. Now with probability, it is when you make this first tree, you are going to realize that when you add this and this, it should give you 1. So let me just demonstrate that. So 7 over 13 plus 6 over 13. Since they've got the same denominator, you just add the numerator. 7 plus 3, it is given 13 over 13. What is 13 divided by 13? 1. So it means that this shows that it shows to us that what we have done so far here is correct. Once we just discover that we are finding one or a number which is not 1, it means that we have gone astray. Means that we have gone in the wilderness. We are lost. So having checked that this is correct, then you go to the second. So this is the first option. So what you are saying is that this girl was maybe asked that go and get an apple from the bag. So it's either it's either she picks a green apple or a red apple. So that's why how come we have got 2 options, green and red. And then after eating that one, again she's asked that go and eat another apple there. So now we need to have another draw. Again, we have got 2 chances, 2 choices. It's either green or red. Now, if we assume that this girl ate an apple, a green apple, what does it mean? It means that the number of green apples in this particular bag as she's going the second time to go and eat another apple, to get another apple to eat, reduced by 1. So there remained 6 green apples. Now, from this bag, it contains 13 apples. We've gotten 1 apple from it. It means that the total changes to 4. Then, assuming we are still dealing with the green, the first time this girl was asked to go and get an apple, she picked the green apple. And then the second time she went to pick, she picked the green, a red apple. These are just assumptions. So it means that the green apples, they remained as they were 7. Huh? They were 7, but what has to change now is what? The total. Because one apple from this bag was taken. So now the red apples, you can see that there are 6 out of 12. The total has changed. Again, when you add this and this, it is going to give you 1. And I can see that it's giving us 1. So that means that your option is correct. Again, green, red. So assuming that this girl, she picked the first time she was picking the first apple, she picked a red one. It means that the green apple was not affected. So it is still 7 green apples in that bag. Out of, except that 1 apple has been picked, it means that you have remained with 12. If it was red, 1 red apple was gotten, so we remain with 5 over 12. Again, when you add these, you are going to 7 plus 5, that's 12, divided by 12, that's 1. That means that we have illustrated this information in a tree diagram. These are the possible outcomes. So the possible outcomes are that it's either she ate green apple, or first time she ate a green apple and then she ate the red apple, or she got a red apple and then the second time she ate a green apple. And then the other option we have is that the first time she got a red apple and then the second time again she got a red apple. So these are the possible outcomes. Now, the second part is asking us to find the probability that the first apple eaten was green. So what does it mean? We use our tree diagram. So in this case, it means that it's either, as long as the first, because they are saying that the first apple was green. So have you seen, this was the first apple. The first apple was green. So how many options here are these two? So probability first apple is green. So the options we have are either she ate a green apple and then a green apple, or she ate a green apple and then the red apple. These are the combinations where the first apple is green. This one you are going to see that the second apple, that's where there was green. So we can't pick this one. So we just do this. Now we get the probability of the green apple is this one. We're going to do 7 over 13 multiplied by 6 over 12. All means plus. And then the second one is 7 over 13 multiplied by 6 over 12. Okay, so now 7. So here we are multiplying the probability of us getting a green apple and then the second time a green apple, or which is plus. We got the green apple and then the second time. So in short, we just have the combination, the possibilities which we get are those ones in which the green apple was the first one which was picked. So we multiply 7 times 6. So 7 times 6 gives us 42. Divided by 13 times 12, which is 156. Plus, again, 7 times 6,
42.
42 divided by 156. Now, since we have the same common denominator, we just add the numerator, which gives us 84 divided by 156, which would be 84 divided by 156 is equal to 0.5385. Now picking these correct to three significant figures, 1, 2, 3. So 0.54 as our answer. So this is how you go about working out the question which has to do with probability. Remember, in this case, the 18 was representing picking an apple without replacements. Thank you for watching.